Here in front of me, I've got from the brand Hogan Wings M Series the Lockheed Martin F16 BD in a scale 1/200. Here we got the box, barcode, and article number. And here we got the back, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Box package, very well packed. Let's see. There we go. Doesn't come with a display stand. And it is made out of diecast, very well detailed. No pilot inside. I like the camouflage colors. Print. Unfortunately, no rockets underneath it, no weapons. We got that back. Wheels are not rolling. Be careful with the wheels. They're not made of metal, so they can break easily. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Have a good one. Bye.